The next tournament stop takes us to Lake Sam Rayburn down in Texas. It rained non-stop, and Sam Rayburn was almost at a record high, nearly 10 feet above pool. This had a lot of us flipping flooded bushes, looking for big fish. I had a pretty tough day one, but luckily on day two, I found a little different bite offshore.
Oh, that's big. That is big. All right, guys. We've got day one of Hobie on Sam Rayburn. Been an interesting week for me. Only got 2 days of practice. Had my phone quit on me. Anyway, crazy. The lake's 10 foot high, as you all know. It's kind of wild. Caught a ton of fish in practice. Just kind of a little tougher to pattern the 4 to 4 pound plus fish. But did get a few in practice and think they might be keying out on some things. Got some flooded reeds, fishing old bank line, and using Google Earth to kind of find some shallow areas that these fish might have moved up on. So we're gonna see what we can do. Not expecting a whole lot. Gonna go for 85 inches and see what that's gonna do for us. I'm gonna start off in this flooded water throwing wake baits, top waters, big spinner baits, waking the spinner bait. Stuff to get the fish's attention. That's been doing pretty good, and didn't really do much flipping in practice, but if I get a limit that I'm okay with, I might flip a little bit to try to get a bigger bite and try to do something a little different. We're gonna play it by ear and just go fishing today. That was dumb. All right, guys, several hours into the morning. Bite is very, very different. Of course, it always does that. So we're gonna slow down a little bit. I mean, really slow down. Try to get bit, just get a limit, and then start experimenting. Oh, okay. All right, they're in there. That should tell me something. All right, that's 4. Boy, not good size though, y'all. It ain't big, but that's the 5th, finally. Goodness. Well, guys, it's day 2. Had some GoPro issue yesterday. The rain, I think, fried one of my GoPros, but Yeah, I did not have a good day, y'all. Definitely in a slump with this series. Need to try to turn it around. So today I went to a brand new area, sight unseen, and I'm just gonna go fish and see what happens. We did drift a bit, huh? There's a lot of grass right here between.
Yep, that's where I was sitting.
Yeah.
Sun might have slowed them down a little bit.
Which is. There we go.
You know?
Yep. That's right where my waypoint was. That's a bass. It's a spot. I'm gonna take it though. Little baby spot. That's right where that waypoint was, Shad. You ought to come throw that jackhammer out there. Oh, he's on there. I'm just gonna give you one of these worms, okay? Just poke.
I want you to get your 5 first.
I'm gonna get my 5.
Yeah, I want you to get your 5.
There's another one. There's 5. Maybe. I don't think that's gonna measure. Things might start to be happening. There's another one. That one's better. I think. Or maybe it's got some grass with it. Yeah, it's got some dang grass. That'll go 12 though.
That looks like.
Buddy, they're getting smaller. But that is gonna go 12. That's 5. Here we go.
Yeah.
Every cast, there's something out there.
I gotta get on out there.
Yeah, you do. Again, they're getting smaller,
Are you
but
just pulling it through, pulling it on the ground?
just I'm almost, when the wind picks up, I just kind of let the wind kind of drift me. Oh, that's right. Maybe, if I were you, maybe I'd get up a little further then,
Yeah.
and then drift over it. Oh, that's big. That is big. Yep. That's big. Yep. Well, but by big, I mean like, might be like a 16 or 17. Woo! Largemouth.
Really?
Yep. It's probably 16. Whew. GoPro, stop recording. Oh man, just missed one. Got that one though. Another largie. There's one. That freaked fast. This one feels a little better. And yeah, it's so different. That might be another 15. think some bigger fish are gonna move out. That wasn't gonna help me anyway. Way too much work for that fish.
I was trying to figure out if you had one or not.
Oh yeah, I mean I haven't been getting small bites, but that I've got that out of 3 wrap-ups and it turns out to be about 13 inches. Oh my gosh. I mean, this is Sam Rayburn, right? Aren't there supposed to be like big fish here?
We're supposed to be catching 20 plus on every cast.
I mean, that's what I was under the impression that's how it's going to be, but it sure has not been. Better. Yeah, well, I tried to boat flip him.
Gonna be back in the creek, but like you said,
Oh, I just had one hit that. Dang it.
dang, at the last minute.
No.
Now it's time up.
No. Oh shoot.